Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it to the video mode because the camera leveler at this device is only available in the video mode. So let's go from the photo to the video here at the settings bar. And now we go to the more advanced settings. By tapping on this button in the right corner we get access to it. And as you can see in the video settings we have the horizontal lever, and by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. This is our leveler, and I'm going to keep it turn it on to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it generates as this line. This is how it works, and it helps to keep our topic at the video straight. This is how it looks like. And of course, to turn it off when we don't need it, we simply tap again to this button and we can turn it off right here again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.